How to File Tax in Canada, Step-by-Step Guide for Beginners 2025. Are you living in Canada and wondering how to file your taxes the right way? Whether you're a full-time employee, self-employed, or new to the country, this video is your complete beginner's guide to filing taxes in Canada for 2025. Make sure to stick till the end, because we'll also show you how to file online completely free. Who needs to file taxes? In Canada, almost everyone who earns an income must file a tax return with the Canada Revenue Agency, CRA, even if you had no income. You should file if you earned income, even part-time, you're self-employed or a freelancer, you want to claim tax refunds or benefits like GST, Cresta credits, or child benefits. You are an international student with income in Canada. And remember, filing doesn't always mean you owe money. You might even get a refund. When to file taxes? Tax season in Canada starts in February and ends on April 30th. If you're self-employed, you have until June 15th, but any tax owed is still due by April 30th. Pro tip: filing early helps you get your refund faster and avoid late penalties. What documents do you need? Before you file, gather the following documents: T4 slip, if you're EMPL OYED, 5 slip, for investment income T2202. If you're a student, RRSP contribution receipts, notice of assessment from last year, receipts for medical, tuition, or childcare expenses if you're self-employed. You'll also need records of income, business expenses, invoices, or receipts. The more accurate you are, the fewer chances of being audited. How to file taxes? 3 ways. There are 3 main ways to file your taxes in Canada. NETFILE. File online using certified software like Turbotics, Wealthspol, TaxH, and RBlock. Many are free for simple returns. Tax professionals, accountants, ideal for complex returns, or if you're self-employed, paper return. You can still mail a printed form, but it's slower and less efficient. Most Canadians use NETFILE. It's fast, secure, and gets you your refund quicker. Demo filing online using NETFILE. Let me walk you through a quick example using Wealthsimple Tax. Step 1. Create an account and enter your personal info. Step 2. Enter income using your T4 or T5 slip. Step 3. Add deductions like RRSP or tuition. Step 4. Review your return. The system auto-calculates your refund or amount. Do Step 5. Submit directly to CRA using NETFILE. Once submitted, you'll get a confirmation from the CRA and your notice of assessment will arrive in a few days. Section 6. What happens after you file? After filing, the CRA reviews your return and sends you a notice of assessment, NOAA. It will tell you how much refund you'll get or how much you owe. If you're due a refund, it can take 5 to 10 business days when using direct deposit. Tip: always check your CRA My Account online for updates, balances, and benefit status. Tips to avoid tax trouble: always report all income. CRA can match your slips and claim fake expenses. Penalties are severe. File before the deadline to avoid late fees and interest. Keep records for at least 6 years in case you get audited. Filing your taxes in Canada doesn't have to be stressful. Follow these steps, and you'll stay on the right side of the CRA while keeping more money in your pocket. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to Knowledge Grid for more simplified financial guides every week.